Hey Reality, are you struggling to get your videos noticed on YouTube? You have been wondering why the algorithm isn't working in your favor. See, the problem might not be your content, it could be your settings. In this video, I'm going to share the essential YouTube settings that will help you optimize your channel so the algorithm can promote your videos to the right audience and boost your views. YouTube's algorithm is like a matchmaking system. It connects viewers with the content they are most likely to watch and enjoy. When your settings are optimized, like your metadata, audience preferences, and branding, it sends the right signals to YouTube, helping the algorithm recommend your videos to more people. These small tweaks can dramatically improve your visibility, your click-through rate, and overall views. If you want YouTube to work in your favor, this is where you start. Now, if you are using a smartphone, you will need to go to studio.youtube.com in your browser to access these settings. Unfortunately, most of these options aren't available in the YouTube app. So grab your phone, open your browser, and head to YouTube Studio to follow along. So now that I'm in YouTube Studio, I'll walk you through the channel settings, video upload settings, and advanced features that you need to tweak to start seeing more views. Let's get started. So the very first tab you need to go to here is navigate to customization and click on customization. So when you come to customization, under profile, the very first thing we'll be doing is our banner image. So if you have not uploaded your banner image before, please do that now. So if you have not created your own banner image before, I'm going to drop a link or share the description or somewhere around this video. You're going to see a link to the video how to create a banner image for your channel. All right. Then the next thing is your picture. So make sure you use a professional picture. It can either be your personal picture or a branding picture. As for me, I'm using my own brand image. So your name, I know you must have picked this before. Then when you come to your description, this is very, very important too. You need to make sure that your channel description tells people who you are, then what you are, and what your channel is all about. Like your name, any little thing about you. I'm a Muslim woman, also a full stack software developer and a YouTuber. All right. So this mini introduction, then what your channel is all about, what they should expect from you. You need to include all this in your channel because this is going to help the algorithm favor you better. On my channel, you'll find a lot of videos on programming courses, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is my main tutorial. Then you will also find videos on skills acquisition, money making tips, and general development. Also, you'll find a lot of beneficial videos on YouTube growth, YouTube algorithm secret, basic video editing, and scripting on this platform. All right. So, for instance, if anybody is searching for it that has to do with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, skills, money making, self development, YouTube growth, YouTube algorithm secrets, basic video editing, scripting, and a lot of my channel is going to be one of the recommended channel because these are things that I cover in my own channel, right? So then you come down. So the next thing you will need to add here is your contact information. So before we go to contact info, under these links, you will need to include your other social media link so that they can contact you for any other business or they can follow you on other social media platforms. So then under contact information, you need to include your email address here. So in case of anybody wants to meet you for a business purpose, maybe they want to collaborate with you for something or for sponsorship, for anything, so they can contact you. But I have a little advice for you here. Make sure you don't use your exact Gmail that you used to open this channel. Make sure this is not your Gmail that owns this channel because that way you are opening your yansh for scammers or hackers out there to be able to hack you. Then the next thing to do is your video watermark. So this video watermark, the watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. So on every video you upload, this watermark will appear there, and then it's going to make it easier for those people for your viewers to subscribe to your channel because immediately they click on it, it's going to bring the option of them subscribing to your channel. Right. So how I got this image that I used, I just went on Google Chrome and searched for um YouTube subscribe image or YouTube subscribe icon, and use for the one that has the size 150 pixel by 150 pixel, or any square shape. So any square size of image will be fine, and then you just upload it here. You can just click on change. If you have not uploaded it before, the option might be different, but as for me to just bring shape, change or remove. So, and then you need to pick any of these options: end of video, custom start time, or entire video. So it is preferable to appear on entire video. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now is to come to home tab. So under home tab here, this is going to show uh your channel home tab. This channel home tab highlights and showcases content for your audience. So in case anybody just come to your channel directly, so this home tab is what to show them, it will showcase all your products one way or the other, all your videos rather. So for instance, so this is the layout, then you can edit it the way you like. You can customize your layout the way you like. Everything cannot be beyond 12 sections. So within the 12 sections, you should be able to add something very reasonable. All right. So the very first thing that I added is channel trailer. So this channel trailer is for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. Their very first time of visiting your channel, you can share with them a video of yours that they will love, that will glue them to your channel, that will make them to even want to watch more of your videos. You know, maybe one of your videos that is doing very fine, that you think if anybody visit my channel and see this video, they will know that I have a lot of values to share. Then the next one is your featured video for returning subscribers. So this one is for returning subscribers. So anybody who has subscribed to your channel before, whenever they just come to your channel again, there may be a kind of video you think everybody needs to see. So at least see this in case you have not seen it before. And that section that I added to mine is live now. So this live now, in case you are doing a live stream, so this is going to be there. But if you are not doing any live stream, it's not going to show. So this section will appear during live streams. Another one is member recognition. So if you are monetized, you're going to have access to this. So this is going to showcase your members, right? So another one is for you to recommend fresh content based on your viewers' interest. Can you see that? So for you, YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So when you have enough content, based on your viewers' content, YouTube will have known, okay, this is what this person usually watch. So they are going to recommend some videos for them. Then, so these are the videos. So these are some of the videos. Your short, these are some of your videos. Yeah, some of your short videos, then popular videos. And then you can decide to add another section. So when you come here that you want to add another section, so it's going to show you every other thing that you have not added, like past live stream. Maybe you have done a live stream before that was very interesting and you think anybody that comes to your channel again should be able to see it, you can add it. Upcoming live streams, so live stream that you have scheduled can also show here. Single playlist, curated playlist, multiple plays, members only video. So these ones too can be for those members that have joined you, that they have started paying you little little. So that is what this is meant for. So having done that, we are done with customization. Then the next thing is to click publish for everything you have changed to be published. All right. So let me just add this single playlist. So I'm going to pick, let's say I'm picking YouTube tutorials for now, and that has added it. Then you just need to come here and click publish rather. So having published that, the next thing you're going to do is you are done with anything under customization, that is your branding. Then you go to settings now. Under settings, you need to go to channel. And under channel, we have basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. So we're going to touch everything one after the other. So for your basic info, we have there is this option of current country of residence. Make sure you choose your current residence. I know a lot of people might be like, let me choose US, let me choose so that I can have more audience or something. But have you forgotten that when you want to monetize, pin some YouTube will need to send you a pin to your post office here, to any post office around you, that will enable you for monetization. In case you have chosen US as your location, I don't know the address you're going to drop to get the pin. Right? So you need to consider that too before you choose your residence. Then keywords. So these keywords are a kind of, it helps the SEO, it helps the algorithm to favor you very well. So the keywords are, what are those things that your channel is all about? You have a lot of options. So you are free to keep adding anything, I'm telling you. So you can just add anything. So you have space. Out of 500 words or characters, I've only added 271. So please include all the necessary keywords that you think people, that will lead people to your channel. So this is going to definitely boost your channel visibility, your click-through rate, and all of that. So let's go to advanced settings now. So under advanced settings, we want to click on the channel audience. So who are your audience? Who are your content meant for? Are your content meant for kids? Then click this. But if they are not meant for kids, choose this. If you want to keep reviewing this on every video you want to upload, it's fine. But I think this will save your time to keep it this way. So let's go to feature eligibility. So under this feature eligibility, you can manage your access to more features here. Intermediate and advanced features require additional verification, which helps us keep the YouTube community safe for everyone. So for this, the standard features will have been enabled if you don't have any issue with YouTube. So for intermediate feature, it's going to give you this access: videos over 15 minutes. You'll be able to upload videos over 15 minutes. You'll be able to add a custom thumbnails, and then you'll be able to live stream. So these are the requirements. So it requires that you are already enabled under standard features, then verify phone number. So this way it's going to show you where you're going to verify your phone number, then something will be sent to your phone. Now make sure you have your phone with you when you are trying to do this. Then you can verify it immediately. Then after this, the next one is advanced features. For these advanced features, what are the benefit of these advanced features? So appealing content ID claims, you can claim content, create more live stream daily, upload more videos, create more shorts, embed live stream, external links in video descriptions. So this is the only thing that can let you add external links to your video description. So you can test and compare different thumbnails. Then you can be eligible to apply for monetization. If you don't have this advanced feature enabled, you may not be able to, you won't be able to apply for monetization. So the requirements are intermediate features enabled, then video verification. This is very simple. For the video verification, you just need to stay in a well lit place, and then click on verify. So it's going to show your video. Will be you need to be looking at the camera that is coming from the YouTube. It will be giving you some direction, like look up, look down, to the right, to the left, and all of that. So just follow those instructions. If you don't want to do video verification, you can use your valid ID card, preferably your international passport. Then all these are necessary if you have not built your enough channel history. But if you have good channel history, your videos, okay, they are even writing it here. So either it is the video you did before, or you submitted your valid ID, they'll be deleted after some months when you have enough channel history. All right, so let's go. Then you need to save that. Okay, we are still going to setting. And under setting, it seems we are done with channel settings and all of that. Then let's go to upload default. So this default, you can add a title that describes your videos, but I don't think this is necessary since you're not going to have every video having the same title. So you can skip this and go to the next one. But under this description, you can add link uh to other videos there. Like in my own case, I just said other helpful videos on YouTube grow. So then the link to some of my videos that I think anybody watching my video might be interested in. So this one will save you from repeating this same particular part of your description when you are trying to upload every video. So this way After you have done this, so when you just want to upload a new video, you just need to add little description about that particular video. So under here too, you can add your social media handles. If you're an affiliate to some products, you can add them here. If you anything that you think you want them to appear on all your videos, you can put them here under description. Then after description, visibility, it's advisable to leave your visibility as unlisted or private so that YouTube can verify your video. Once they say that you don't have any issue with your video, then you can come and change it to public. Or in case you still want to add anything to your video, maybe okay, you're not done with your thumbnails, you just want the video to at least be there, put it under put so it is better to save your visibility as unlisted, then you can change it after uploading video. Then tags too. So all these tags too will show on your YouTube under YouTube description. So you're going to see tags will be added to your every video that you upload. All right. After doing this basic info, let's go to advanced settings. So for these automatic chapters is another thing we called timestamps. So and for your timestamps, please sometimes it is not accurate. So it may be better for you to always do it manually, your timestamp. Then here, try to check your category. You can add this yourself automatically. Are you into entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to and style? So if you are doing all those DIY, these are your options. Um, so after you have chosen your category, then your video language, is it in English? Is it other language? So try to choose that. Your title and description language English. Comment on or off. Why do you want to put it off? It should be on. Show how many viewers like this video. So these are things you need to put in place here. Then come to monetization. So under monetization, so it's asking you, do you want ads to be do you want to place ads during your video, like when they are watching your video? Though YouTube has a way of putting the ads where the viewers will not get annoyed or so. But in case you don't want it, you can say no. You can uncheck it, but please put it there. Actually, it only shows on video that is longer than 8 minutes. So you are not inconveniencing your viewers in any way. Yeah, you see these YouTube settings, they might seem small, but together they make a huge impact. Tweak them today and watch how your channel grows. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more growth tips, and let me know in the comments which setting you will change first, or if you have done all these settings before. See you in the next video. Bye.